He's tying his shoes. Do a big crash scene into the grass for me. I'll put it on MySpace.
Okay.
Just the crash part.
Is that even a video?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh. I can edit it however I want to.
Okay.
So like you gotta roll a bit of the grass like over here or something, or...
Is there a car coming? Not that I heard. I just like jumped off. Went at the top of the hill.
That works.
Caveman.
I got my chance
Gonna land on it. I don't know what to do. There's nothing.
You feel like skating to Veronica's cart.
I can totally clear that woman. There's a car there. That car was there.
Do a rail.
Yeah. I can make it on this. It's nothing. There's the car here. That right there, that's me.
Lucas's invisible man failed attempt at ollie off for him.
Oh my god. The board's getting worse every day. What do you do? Do a primo. Are you still recording this?
Absolutely. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.